Yeah, how'd you get here?
INSTACART order.
You ever been in a ride along?
Never.
Babe,
Yeah.
where are we going? I can't. Babe, where are we going again?
What do you mean where?
Babe,
Yeah.
where'd you say we're going again?
What do you mean?
Babe, where'd you say we're going again?
Are you serious now? Be for real. Obviously, we're headed to Slot Factory in Nashville tomorrow.
For what?
Nashville Super Speedway. Don't act brand new. That's literally why we're loading up the cars right now.
For their Halloween event?
Yes.
Trunk or treat?
Costume required,
We got costumes?
for sure.
Slot Factory,
Yeah.
Nashville Super Speedway.
That's why we just came in here and did oil changes on both cars. We threw 1/2-inch spacers on the newly wrapped, dropping trees and double D's Lambo Landscaper.
We got the new Big Country Lab wings.
They are freshly engraved. You have to check them out. I'm Daddy. You have to look at this one though. Funded by Daddy's money. So yeah, we just got Nathan's 370 back. AZ Rags had it for about 4 days. And it's dope, super cool.
Yep.
I might have been sneaky and added a little flavor to it. But so first event of November.
Yep.
We'll be here this weekend, all day Saturday event, and then in 2 weeks we will be at Import Alliance, Bowling Green, NCM for their big event. So
Excited to go back to that track.
yeah, that's been Nathan's favorite track so far. So
And then after that, we go into kind of off season, maybe not
Yeah.
as busy. We've got some other stuff planned, but we dropped this Sylvia off with Andrew with Knox Power. After getting ripped on Facebook when I posted it for sale, I decided I'm going to fix it and show all these mother. So we're fixing that. Did Origin Lab over fenders, front and rear, Origin Lab hood, doing full tuber in, fixing where it was hit. Then we get some wheels made, and then figure out what motor's going to go in that car.
and figure out how it's gonna get stored in this garage.
Lift coming soon.
Good morning, San Francisco.
Yeah, kinda.
That was close.
What's your costume?
Right now, it's white trash.
Okay. What do you think? You guys got here last night?
Yeah, we got here last night.
Yeah.
And we walked to a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
And I got rings.
Oh my god, no way. That's sick. Gonna be a sweet day.
I think so.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, what do we got?
What do I want to play?
I forget, you got the fancy setup.
Yeah. We've got heat, air condition, and a working radio.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Nice.
We can play combing toddler playtime, elevation worship.
Ah.
or late night drifting playlist?
I think that one.
Alright, so first 2 laps are done. Nathan is checking like lug nuts and stuff, but probably my worst 2 like start laps yet, but that's okay. Hopefully they're just out of the way. I already spun out and touched dirt, so hopefully that's just a good sign that the rest of the day is going to go okay, but we're about to get back out there and get back after it, so we'll see.
So far so good. First run went off the track, got a little muddy. That's probably my own fault, but things are going good. Cars are working good. Track's fun. We're having a good day. Yeah.
Oh, I got to do an interview.
Yeah, you gotta do a quick one. All right, you ever been in a ride along?
Never.
Ever been drifting?
You gotta ask him how
Never.
he got here.
Yeah, how'd you get here?
INSTACART order.
All right, who ordered Instacart?
These lovely people here ordered INSTACART.
We needed PBJs and water.
PBJs and water.
Our Instacart driver.
Hell yeah. What's up?
Like, how does it work? mistake. I love it. I love it. I want to drift myself.
10-second interview.
10 seconds. Things are going well. Got a bunch of ride-alongs already. Sold some shirts. Cars
nice.
are running good. Yeah,
Sick.
weather's nice.
It is nice now. You still on the same set of tires?
Yeah.
Nice. Heck yeah. You gotta get more laps in. You've been working on the cars too much.
Well,
Have fun.
I got my car loaded, and I realized that I left my phone in the car.
What do you think of that?
He's grounded.
I might get a whip.
You wish.
We're done.
That's a wrap.
Wrapped up. Great event. Tons of track time.
Yeah, shout out to Slide Factory for putting on a pretty cool event.
Run the track forward and backward.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We liked one direction.
Did not like backwards. I was not a fan.
What else? Met some cool people.
Yeah. Did a bunch of ride-alongs.
of
Sold out. I sold out my shirts today.
What else we got? Cars did great.
Cars did awesome.
One set of tires all day.
Both of us. Super cool. Shout out to Kenda.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool to be able to just. I had to fill up with gas more than I changed tires today, which is huge.
I run out of gas on the track.
Yeah.
Sent me off the track. With Gooch.
For sure.
Literally every time Gooch drives with me.
Yeah, but we also got your best lap when I was in the car.
True. Yeah, great event.
Pretty fun.
My sisters came out with some ride-alongs.
Yeah.
They went and got us gas.
Food.
Food,
Shout out
Whataburger.
Trish and Stacy. Yeah.
The last time we were actually on this track was the first time
Mhm.
we attended a drift event. It was the first event we were aiming to like actually be at when we were drifting. So
First time I ever drove my car too.
it was super cool coming back here and hitting the same track that I was petrified. Oh, I was so nervous. I was nauseous.
That's right. And now we're either heading home or heading to Atlanta.
TBD.
Yeah.
It's a mystery. Really, it's a rock, paper, scissors game here in 5 minutes on if we're headed back to Knoxville or headed south.
Heck yeah.
Are you driving?
Yeah, baby. That's
Well,
it.
peace.